Zones of Death, Part 1.
I'm not even hopping.
Alas, you've made it. Where are you going?
Are you videotaping?
Maybe.
Amy, jump over the fence. I want to, but I'm scared of heights.
Alright, you can film it. You're on a table! You're not even looking at the camera, you're taping a building. Look at the scenery. Okay, you're gonna film me jumping over this fence.
Yeah.
You're not looking at where it is.
Ready?
Are you ready for this? Okay, this is a big step. Ready? This is a big step.
For mankind.
Can you stop recording now? Please. You want me to climb it now too?
Yeah.
This is gonna be a little bit more difficult. Okay, I'm ready. I didn't plan that at all, I swear to God. I thought I was gonna happen. My feet don't fit in these holes. I'm trying to run and jump. That's it.